today. Now this customer has had NBN in a couple of times, and they want to put the socket in a location that they don't want. They just wanted to use this old existing Foxtel cable which goes to a bedroom which they don't want it in. They've got a specific location they want it, in a cupboard where they've got all their communication stuff going to. So this one's going to be pretty straightforward today. Basically just going to be a conduit up into the under the eaves there, and then we're going to pop a cable through and then run it through into the other device. That's where all the cabling comes to, in a cupboard above here. So that's what we're going to get it to today. This is our basic installation today, and then so we're just using a rodder. Have one length of conduit to protect the cable, and then we've got the RG6 Coaxial cable here. So first thing, I've just drilled a little hole up here, right, and then that's going to be a nice straight run, boom, straight down to the side of that, and then that's where we're going to have our conduit run down to. So first things first, we're going to get that rodder up through the hole, and then get up to the ceiling and find it. So I just got up in the ceiling, and as you can see, there's my rodder sticking up there. So it just makes it easy to identify. You can see it underneath, it's just bowing up. So now I'm just going to go over, grab that. I'm going to tie a piece of draw wire to it, and we'll pull the draw wire through back down into the hole, and then we'll tie our cable into the draw wire, and then we'll pull that down through. And there's our draw wire. Beauty. So now I've taped the draw wire to the end of the RG6 cable, and next thing we're going to do is go and pull the slack. So it pulls the slack and pulls the cable right up to the hole, and then we're going to help assist the cable through the hole just to get it in there. Otherwise you can run into problems when you're in the roof, and you don't want to have to come out of the roof again. You just want to do it once. Also too, it's a good idea to unspool the cable and get a rough measurement of exactly how much you're going to need, so you don't have to pull it from the box, which makes it harder to pull when you're in the ceiling. So now, if I come over here, my cable is there, it's even gone through, okay? So I'm just going to feed that in just a little bit, just to make it a bit easier. Okay, so now I've hauled the cable through, use the draw wire to pull it in, and now the end of it. Now this is the over where the cabinet is here, and you can see the Cat6 cables going down. So we'll poke something up to there so we can see it, and then we'll feed our cable down. So that's it, just hauled the cable through, cut the draw wire off, and now I'm over the location where we need to be. You can see those yellow Cat6 cables running down inside a hole. It's already been made before. There's another one there too. And now we're going to go down, poke something up from those holes, and then so we can see where it is. Probably use the yellow tongue. So that's it. So you can see on this one there's just no room to come out of that. So what I've done is taken the mounting block off, and I've just created a little hole underneath, and now fed the new NBN HFC cable through the bottom of that. Now instead of making this all messy, I'm not going to put a socket on this on. What we're going to do is just put a plug directly on the end of this cable, and then I can just screw that straight into the HFC router. Okay. Okay, so that's it. I've just installed the conduit. I've got that going down here to the box, and I've got our cable coiled up here, ready for NBN to do their thing. Now we'll go put the other end on, and that's it. Just put the end on now, and that's ready to go.